Good morning and welcome to Mama's Kitchen. We're gonna bake some banana bread today. And I got a lot of it laid out here already for you, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you the measurements of what I'm putting in here. I've been watching a lot of YouTubers and they just say what to use and they say look at the comments below or look at something below. Well, I thought, I don't wanna do that. I want to know so I can write it down once they're saying it. It's just me. So today I mashed 2 ripe bananas in the bottom of this bowl. Mashed them up really good. And then I'm going to add the rest of my wet ingredients here. I doubled this because I'm making 2 pans of banana bread. So, but I'm only going to give you for 1 pan, and then you can double it if you are going to double yours. 2 tablespoons of applesauce, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. In with the bananas. That's our wet ingredients. Okay, and then for our dry ingredients, I'm using oat flour that I made myself. And for the dry ingredients, you have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and I added some, they called for nutmeg, but I decided to put allspice, baker's allspice in it. So you want to take and sift that through. I don't have a flour sifter, but I'm using this and it works really good. So we're just going to do this. Okay. And 2 cups of flour. But like I said, I'm doubling mine. So there's 1. 2. A little bit harder to sift through the oat flour, but regular flour works and wheat flour will sift right through this. Probably wouldn't have had to sift this. Wet ingredients, I'm going to add a half a cup of water. Okay. Now to this, you want to preheat your oven to 400 and bake for 30 minutes. Now to this, you could take and add sliced almonds or semi-sweets or whatever you like for that. Also, they called for a cup of, a 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup, but I decided to use stevia instead. So just like a dash of stevia if it's pure stevia. Otherwise, at the store, they have it where you measure it just like you do sugar. But I don't buy that kind. So, all right. So then you want to just mix it all in. Oh, that looks so good. It's turning out so good, y'all. Look at that. Look at that batter. All right. And then I'm going to use parchment paper. And I don't have 2 bread pans. All I had was these. I did have 1 bread pan, which might have worked. I don't know. But you want to put your parchment paper down and you crumble it up like that. It will take and mold the pan where you want it without moving. So you want 1 piece that way. Oops, I got 2 pieces. I had 2 pieces there. And 1 piece this way. That way when it's cooled off, you can just lift it right out of the pan. All right. Oh, that looks so good. All right. I think with this one, I'm going to add some semi-sweets. It's made with all natural ingredients, which is very important. And there's no dairy, and it's very good for you. Oh yeah, one more thing. You can add walnuts. I have sliced almonds. Just gonna add just a tiny little bit. You don't need too much of it. Oh yeah, that looks really good. My next video I'm gonna do zucchini bread because our zucchinis are coming quite a bit now. Take and pop this in the oven and for 30 minutes. All right, I just pulled my banana bread out, and I didn't have, like I told you, I didn't have a 2 loaf pan, so I went this route. This is what they look like. And the family already started eating it, and they said it was delicious. They love it. So I'll show you how it cuts up here. And this is made with oatmeal flour that I did myself. Family loves it. That's all that matters. So.
The family wants more.
Okay, go ahead. There we go. Well, I hope yours turns out as good as mine because my family just loves it. And it's gluten-free. Hey, you got that going for you. So you have a wonderful day, and I will show you how to do zucchini bread my way, Mama's way next time. Bye. Have a great day.